Now I'm going to hit the high points on the kettlebell thruster and explain what it is, what we're looking for. Then we'll break it down on how you get your clients there in a quick and efficient manner. So we're going to start with the double kettlebell clean, right here in the rack position. One thing that's important is that you want to keep this rack position here. I like stacking those kettlebells just like that. A lot of times, one's high, one's low. This is going to help you when you do your front squat. Some people like to interlace their fingers. That's fine. I find that just cupping them like that works good for me. So from here, we're going to do our front squat. Notice that my elbows are attached to my torso. As I squat down, they kind of drift away just a little bit. Then as I come back up, they reattach. Then I'm going to go right into